Okay, so hold on. I mean, both sides of the story. Okay, I just wanted to come talk to you before you took off and they made some allegations against you, okay?
No, they did.
Yeah.
And
okay, do you have ID on you or something?
And they're all against me. And as you can see, I'm sure there's blood all.
On April 18th, 2025, deputies in Charlotte County responded to a reported battery at a golf course involving a 79-year-old employee. The situation quickly gained attention due to the severity of the allegation and the age of the victim, which elevated the legal consequences.
Unruly customer. Go after a couple of our car guys.
Oh, he went after a couple of them?
Yeah,
he got me, and you got him.
Yeah, both of you guys?
Yeah. He got him, but then he got me.
But he did put his hands on you, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ralph just went to talk to him to tell him to speed it up. Jumped out of his car, pushed this man down on the ground. That's what I ran over.
Then he was on top of me.
Then he got on top of you?
Yeah.
Okay. And both of you guys are employed here? Staff?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Biggest thing right now, you go on EMS, just check that out? Would you like to have EMS check it out?
I don't know. Should I?
Is
it a
no,
split
it's
it?
no.
Oh, you didn't split it.
I mean, I wouldn't, but
No,
that's
it's up
me.
to you.
I'm okay. If
At the end of the day,
it's
you
not
may feel
split, but we want to press charges against that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
He started it.
We're going to take all the statements from the people that did see everything.
He says he hit him first, but there ain't no way he hit him.
Okay.
He just walked over to talk to him, and he shoved him back.
This is his car.
Oh,
This is his card?
That's
okay.
That's
Can you just leave that? Just leave it there for
Yeah,
me?
he left three
Perfect.
empties. I don't know how many he had,
Okay.
but he left 3 empties in the car.
Okay. All right. What's up, boss man? How you doing? Mind taking your hands out of your pockets for me? Okay.
And my baby.
All right.
That's it.
Okay. You good? You bleeding? I see.
I am, because they hit me, and they're saying they didn't hit me.
Okay. So hold on. I
You
mean,
can-
both
you
sides
can-
of the stories. That's fine.
No, it's fine.
Okay. I just wanted to come talk to you before you took off, and they made some allegations against you. Okay.
No, they did. And I
Okay.
know
Do you have
they did.
ID on you or something?
She has it.
You have his ID?
What?
My ID.
Yeah.
And they're all against me. And as you can see, I'm sure there's blood all over my mouth because I have cotton mouth now because
But who are you with? You were with her and anybody
I
else?
was with her
No, just
and
me.
one other golfer, but it was a random.
They were
That's okay.
they moved.
So, Aaron, what happened to her?
So we were on the back 9. I'm gonna wait till he leaves because I'm not gonna have him go over there and tell him shit.
Okay. Mike, you mind going over there and waiting for me over there?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay. So we were on the back 9.
Okay.
I'm a beginner. I was with 3 other beginners.
Okay.
She did not golf. None of us know how to golf.
Okay.
So we're taking our time. We're having fun. I've been drinking. I'm straight up. I'm going to tell you. I've been drinking. I'm not going to lie to you. There's no point. I've been drinking. We've been golfing, and they came up behind us and they said, not word for word because I don't remember what they said, but basically it was, "Can you guys speed it up?" There was a group of 4 and another group of 4 behind us.
Like you need to pick up the pace. You need to pick up the pace.
Because
But like
our
all
group,
of them
Well,
were
let me.
beginners.
I'll come talk to you after.
Okay,
Okay. I just don't want conflicting.
Yeah,
So-
no, you're fine.
this might have anything to do with it, but I was originally supposed to go out at 12:15,
Okay.
and I went out to till hole 10,
Yeah.
and everyone was complaining. No one I get it. It's golf.
Right.
They want to be where they're at. They don't want someone to jump in front. So I went back to that
So let's
gentleman.
talk. So I get all this. So I want to get to the altercation part, right? So they come say,
Okay,
"Hey, can you speed
so
it up, right?"
We get back to that back 9. I think we just finished hole 9, or I
We
guess
did,
hole 18, whatever. Back 9.
Okay.
And we're on the back 18, I'll call it, and we're coming up, right across where that canopy tent, where all the carts are,
Okay.
and we're coming up. And I said something to him because the lady in front of us said something. I said, "Hey, were you assist good?" I'm a beginner. I don't know how to golf. I came out here to have fun. I
Right.
paid the money. I wanted to golf.
Okay.
And so I said to one of those 3 in the red, I don't know who. I don't want to point out you, and it wasn't you.
Okay.
So I come behind him and I say, "Hey, were you this good when you first started?"
Yep.
And he said, "No." And I said, "Okay, we're all beginners. We're trying to have fun," because they were trying to speed us up because I guess the group behind was complaining. And so we come up here to, literally right there, straight.
Okay.
I guess their clubhouse, whatever it is. And I don't really remember how it started, but the one dude that I pushed got in my face, and to me, I felt
So
threatened.
did you push him first?
I did push him, but he was, I can't do it to you because you're
Yeah,
a
yeah.
cop, but, he's in my cart,
Okay.
and I felt threatened, so I pushed him. And
So were you sitting in the golf cart?
I was
And
sitting.
he
Yeah.
came up too?
Yes,
Okay.
so I did, and I mean, I might have been the problem. I don't know. I got to.
Witnesses and staff reported that an unruly customer became aggressive after being asked to speed up play. According to employees, the suspect pushed the elderly worker to the ground. Others confirmed that the confrontation escalated quickly and appeared one-sided.
Me, I felt threatened. I had my girlfriend here.
Okay. Were you driving the golf cart?
I was
No,
not.
I
She was
was.
driving.
She was driving.
I was not driving. I got up and I pushed him. And me being drinking, not realizing he's an older man, and he fell on his back. And then his buddy, I think it was the taller. No, that's the guy that I pushed. Another gentleman that's not going to show came over to me, and I think he hit. I mean, I'm bleeding. You don't just bleed from bleeding. And he's saying he didn't. Everyone's saying over there they didn't hit me, but I stumbled and fell. So old man must have had a punch on him, or I'm just a pussy. One of the two. You can laugh if you want. I fell into those trees, literally into the trees, and I got up, and that's when I came after whoever hit me because I was pissed off, and some gentleman pulled
let
me
me pause
off.
for a second. So you push him, he falls on the ground, you get out of the golf cart, and then you feel somebody push you, or did they punch you in the face?
So I got out of the golf cart when he came up to me, and I pushed him. I did push him, and
So you got out of the golf cart.
I
when he
did get
came
out of the
to you.
golf cart because at that point I'm already threatened. I have my girlfriend with me. I'm not gonna let no one touch her. So I got over. You're a pussy over top of him, and then I got hit or pushed. I don't know what. I'm not gonna try and tell you I hit him or I pushed him or he pushed me or hit me.
Okay.
I don't know.
What we're going to do right now, okay? This doesn't mean you're going to jail, okay? Just based off the thing, I'm going to put you in the back of my car. I'm going
That's
to detain
fine.
you for right now, okay?
No, that's. You
So
gotta
just
do
turn
what
around
you
for me.
do.
Put your hands behind your back. Perfect, all right? We'll see. They might not even press charges, bro. You
No,
never
it's
know.
fine. They already said they're gonna press charges. I might be in the wrong, but it's okay. I appreciate you guys. It's all it is.
All right, here, I'm going to take your golf club out so that doesn't get lost in your property. Any more in there? Hi again. Hey, you have access to the video?
We do.
Okay.
The camera's pointing this way, so I'm not really sure where that
All right.
happened. It might
Are we
not.
able to see if it caught anything?
Yeah, let's see.
Let me.
I was talking to him. He's asking him.
Oh, there it is.
Wow.
Ooh.
Oh, he's just talking to
He
him.
just went off.
Look at, she's pushing him away. Now here comes the
That's
other
Mike,
guys running
and
over.
it's Scott's running. That's Scott.
Wow.
Well, we see that he went after him, but he was defending his coworker. And now they're on camera.
That looks bad. That doesn't look good on.
To me, it doesn't appear that he's being threatening to him while I was standing by him by the car.
Ralph was just standing there talking to him, and the kid came and pushed him.
I'll go talk to the other officer real quick.
You got all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do I get these in front of me? I'm being nice.
Okay.
Get a picture of my scratch.
All right, ready?
I guess.
We'll be taking a sworn statement / Miranda rights from Aaron at this time. He is unable to raise his right hand. He is admitted to being intoxicated, and I'm going to describe to him what perjury is. Perjury is telling an outright lie or knowingly leaving all or part of the truth in order to deceive or mislead the investigation, okay?
And that's what I did.
Okay? So, you don't have to raise your right hand. I'm going to read your Miranda. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court of law. You have the right to attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you for your charge, okay? Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
Employees report the customer pushed the elderly worker to the ground, triggering Florida Statute 784.08. Battery on persons 65 or older is a third-degree felony with maximum penalty of 5 years versus 1 year for simple battery. The suspect claims self-defense under Florida Statute 776.012. However, self-defense requires reasonable belief of imminent unlawful force and bars claims by the initial aggressor. Cell phone video allegedly shows the suspect as primary aggressor, contradicting his self-defense claim.
I don't have to answer, right?
Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I'd like to speak with my attorney.
Okay, so this is regarding the battery from the other guy that hit you.
But you said I hit him
Okay,
first.
you're in custody, so I have to read you Miranda versus a statement affidavit.
I just still don't understand.
The guy who hit you is a separate incident from the guy that...
But why am I in cuffs and he's not in cuffs?
Because yours is a felony because he's older than 65. In the state of Florida, that ups it to a felony.
If I still get hit by someone else, it's the same thing.
Do you want to talk to me and give me a statement about the situation or not? I can let him go. It doesn't matter.
Talk to an attorney? Talk to an attorney?
So this is what's going on.
The suspect admitted to drinking and explained that he felt threatened when approached. He claimed he pushed the older man in self-defense, not realizing his age. He also stated that he was later hit or pushed by someone else, causing visible injuries.
So we're trying to press charges on this guy. He has to give me a sworn statement, but I have to read him his Miranda rights to tell me what happened. We already have the video. We've seen what happened. He's being charged on his battery. The only reason that he's going in cuffs is because the guy was older than 65, which in the state of Florida, that makes it a felony. This guy is getting charged with a misdemeanor battery against him. He's just not going in cuffs because it's a misdemeanor because he is not older than 65. But he has to go. He's still getting arrested. It's just a ticket instead of a... It's a misdemeanor ticket. It's still an arrest.
I gotta go and deal with this shit for 4 hours and then go home.
Yeah. Well, do you want to give me a statement or not? I'm trying to... You want to charge you guys, so then let's do it.
Just do it.
Well, what was the other part about me supposedly lying or whatever?
That's perjury, I'm telling you.
I don't know what perjury is.
That's why I explained it to you.
Yes, but when I was drinking, I can't explain to you what I don't know. Like, there's a whole video.
So let me tell you again.
Yes,
so
I'm trying to be nice to you, but I'm getting pissed off because I don't remember everything. Okay. I'm trying to figure it out.
So you say the best of your ability. I already know what happened.
But I'm still being accused of lying. Okay. Is that right? I'm being accused of lying.
You're not being accused of lying.
So then what's perjury? Me being accused of lying.
No, it's not. What are you talking about? Perjury is telling an outright lie or knowingly leaving out part or all the truth in order to deceive or mislead the investigation.
Yes, but if I
that is telling you what perjury is. Aaron, stop.
No, I'm getting pissed.
Okay, so I don't care. I will not charge him. I really do not care. Do you understand it? I can.
I'm not talking.
Do you want to give me a statement or not? I'm not playing this game with you.
Sure.
Okay.
It's not going to work in my favor anyway.
It is. We're charging him.
I'm trying to be as honest as I can. So we come up to the clubhouse, and I said to her, let's go with that girl. We didn't pay for it, yes, but we never went. So it's a if. What if? And the guy came over, and he said, hey, can I see your receipt for, I don't want to put words in his mouth, whatever you paid for. And I think I said, we only paid for 9. We're leaving, and then that's when he walked up on me. There might have been other shit said. I don't know. I don't remember. He walked up. I felt threatened because I'm with her. I don't let no one touch her. He came up. I pushed him. He fell. I was being a dumbass, and I stood over top of him. I'm an idiot. And then I either got pushed, hit, or something, and then I got back up, and I tried swinging, and I think I missed him. I don't know if I hit him. I don't know if I missed him. I felt blood. I was spitting it out. It's on my shirt. Scratched up. So I'm assuming something happened. So that is all that I know. And now I'm sitting in a hot-ass car sweating.
So Scott, I'm going to tell you like this. We have enough evidence to charge you with battery. You have one of two decisions. You make a confession and you go around the route of an arrest pre-arrest, the adult pre-arrest diversion program. It's a short program where you attend a class in Port Charlotte. You may pay a fine, you may not. And then it's maybe a couple-day course where you might do community service, you might not. And as soon as you're done, this is expunged from your record, and it basically keeps you from having a record. That's why we have this. Or it's, I arrest you right now, and I take you down to Charlotte County Jail to where you have to go down there.
No, I don't want to go to Charlotte County Jail.
So, do you want to revise your statement?
Revise my statement as of what?
As to saying whether you struck the juvenile. Not the juvenile, I keep on saying that, my bad. Struck the gentleman.
No, I never got my hands on him.
Okay.
I was going back there to look. She said all she saw was me running towards that way.
Okay.
And then people got in front of me. Right. He hit me, and then I was still trying to chase him away because he kept still coming.
I got video of you being aggressive and attending him. Yes, he did push down the first gentleman, which he is getting charged with that. Then afterwards, he's already off the guy, being held by his girlfriend. You run over and you throw a punch at him.
I did not throw a punch at him.
I got the video. You think I'm lying to you right now?
Well, after I get hit in the face,
no.
I work here.
That's fine if you work here, but
he hit me first. I did not hit him.
He already gave you the option. What are we doing?
I'll take the option.
What are we doing?
So do you wish to revise your statement?
What, that I hit him?
Yes. Because you already said you touched him, so you pushed him, so that's technically battery enough as is. So you battered him at one point in time, correct? By shoving him?
Yeah, I was trying to get him down to the ground.
All right. So what you need to do before next Wednesday is you need to contact this phone number, okay? It's to the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, the Justice Center that we have. It's on East Marion. I guess they moved it down to Punta Gorda. You just contact him. He'll get in touch with you about the program and what you need to do.
Okay.
Okay? Get in touch with him before Wednesday. If not, then we're going to have to put a no probable cause name for you, which is basically a warrant to be arrested for battery. We don't exactly. We don't
trying
want
to protect my 80-year-old friend.
Okay. So this is your copy. All I need is a signature right down here.
Is that admitting guilt? Is a signature admitting guilt?
For battering, yes. It means that you
I didn't batter.
You did. You shoved him. Just shoving enough is battery. Unwanted touch or strike. That's a statute in the state of Florida.
Okay, but I work here.
I
was trying to get him off the course.
He was already off. He was already
No,
off.
he wasn't.
He was. We watched the video.
He wasn't off
Scott,
the course.
we watched the video. You may not remember.
When was he off the course?
He wasn't
standing
off
right
the
here.
course. He was off of him. He was off and pushed against a golf cart by his girlfriend.
Are you admitting to what I said? Because we're not going to stay here. Last thing I want is you calling in and saying that we forced you to say that we told you that you're guilty. We're not doing that.
Okay. Well, I'm not guilty of anything.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
Do you have to?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I get my wallet?
Absolutely. Walk this way. We'll get your stuff.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take your sunglasses off, alright? Okay. You're gonna get back to the aircraft. Sit in. Sit in. Okay.